Hey everyone, I'm Eric, an Education Coordinator here with Crystal Cove Conservancy. During the last session, you started learning more about California's system of marine protected areas. Today, we're going to zoom back in and focus on the Crystal Cove State Marine Conservation Area again. We will work together with other members in your research team to start thinking about one of our two driving questions. How is the marine ecosystem in the Crystal Cove State Marine Conservation Area changing over time? Crystal Cove State Park wants to understand whether or not the State Marine Conservation Area regulations are working the way that they're supposed to. As you probably learned, MPA regulations are designed to protect against overfishing, which we also call take. The reasoning is that if there is a safe spot for fish and other protected marine species to breed and recover, then numbers of those species will increase overall. If they're not working, we might see species numbers decline. In order to determine if the Crystal Cove State Marine Conservation Area is helping to increase the area's fish population overall, we need to take a step back and think about the marine ecosystem as a whole system. When scientists are trying to study big systems with lots of different components and processes, they'll often create a model to help them think about how the system works. Today, that's what you're going to do. You'll work in your research teams to create a model that shows your ideas about how different parts of the marine ecosystem and other factors interact with and affect the fish population. You'll also start to think about what indicators we might want to monitor over time to give us an idea about how the marine ecosystem is doing. Then, once you help collect data on our monitoring crews, you'll be able to use data about those indicators to test the assumptions in your model and see if the State Marine Conservation Area regulations are helping to increase the number of fish. Creating a model like this is an involved process. When you're ready, go ahead and move on to the next slide to get started.